Hey buddies, so welcome back after a long break. So basically, our monsoon vlog is ready. Just wanted to have this voiceover created in order to narrate the story behind this vlog. Let's start with the story, or rather, the virtual journey. 2022 का ये first vlog है. There is a very long gap between my last uploaded YouTube video and this. For obvious reasons. Creating YouTube video is like my passion, but passion से पेट नहीं भरता. पेट भरने के लिए आपको काम करना पड़ता है, कमाना पड़ता है. Work, earn and live. ये structure follow कर रहा है. But fortunately, got a time and was able to execute this dream. You're known the AC group, that is Adrakwali Chai. So there was one more reason, why this got delayed so much, because we all were waiting for monsoon to start. Because आप भी जानते हो, नेचर को आपको उसके बेस्ट सेक्सेस फॉर्म में एक्सप्लोर करना है, then you have to go out in monsoon. We come to a conclusion that we should have a trek as a part of this monsoon trip. Which will follow with kind of camping in a tent or something like that.
Back shot back. Action camera is ready. And we are all set for our first monsoon trip. With the very own. The AC group! That is Adrakwali Chai group! Hey, hi guys. Hi.
ये क्या है? ये अभी लेफ्ट के राइट जाना है.
मंदिर है. मंदिर
तो
मंदिर
अंदर जवानो गेट जे. अरे लेफ्ट राइट
महाराजा ने बांधा हुआ मंदिर है.
ए मंदिर पे चढ़.
अरे भेंडी.
In 500 meters, turn left.
वही तो बोल रहा हूं, मंदिर पे चढ़. कोई बात
पीछे
नहीं.
देखो.
देखना पीछे देखना, गाड़ी है. नहीं है.
वही है वो फोर्ट विजापूर.
वो क्या है? अच्छा तो वरती चढायचं तो.
हाँ.
भाई चढायला आहे तरी किती जागा. वर कितने लोग हैं देखो. तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. और गाड़ी कहाँ पार्क हुई है फिर?
अरे सब हो जाएगा. रिलैक्स एंजॉय.
बेस कैंप है उधर. तो बेस कैंप होगा ही.
अल्टीमेट. वाह.
पूछो है तो पूछ ही ले जाने हो भाई.
नहीं यार छोड़ो. अभी क्या पूछना है. फोर्ट दिखाई दिया, अभी और भी क्या पूछना है?
23 मिनट्स बता रहा है।
होगा शायद घूम घूम के रास्ता।
और वहाँ
Simple plan था. Even the route for reaching out to the fort was very simple. But as usual, कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ी तो होती है. तो हुआ कुछ यूँ कि we followed the path properly, and it was a very simple path. Okay, but एक गलत टर्न ले लिया and उस गलत टर्न के वजह से we reach out to a trekking path which is a bit, tougher to go with. Let me explain with the help of map. And so the path for Visapur is very simple. You have, if you are from Mumbai, you have to take Mumbai-Pune highway till a village called as Malauli. And Malauli से railway line cross करके आपको लेना होता है left turn. And from there you can head towards a village which is known as Patan. And Patan से एक small trek करके you can reach on the top of it. But what we did is, instead of taking that left turn, we took the right turn. Considering that we are all, who are you? Because of this right turn, we reached to the back of Visapur and started our trekking from route 2. और route 2 कुछ ऐसा था. We are at the base of We explored the fort to our best extent and started the return journey from the fort to the stay which is planned by the Gudara. It was pretty late for us because for few obvious reasons. This time there were more members in this journey, and we were having two vehicles. So we messed up with the coordination with each other, and also, as said earlier, we also messed up with the with the proper path. So we got delayed and reached out to the camping site very late in the night, and after reaching there we were like completely out of energy, just had our dinner and went to sleep. So the another thing is like the service of this camping site was not so good, and we were most of the members of our group were unhappy with their services and a little bit disappointed like what we have booked, and whether started thinking like we wasted day 2 of our trip, and a bit of disappointed also. But the next day morning is like a miracle. Good morning, friends. It's day 2 of our monsoon picnic. काल आम्ही विसापूर फोर्टची ट्रेक केली आणि तिथून रात्री लेटमध्ये इथे पुण्यात पानशेतला एक विलेज कॅम्पिंग म्हणून आहे, तिथे नाईट स्टेला आलो. त्यात अक्षरशः खराब होती, त्यामुळे जेवून डायरेक्ट झोपलो. ते जस्ट उठलं आणि ही दिवसाची सुरुवात अशा मस्त अप्रतिम नजाराने होते. लेट मी शो यू द व्ह्यूज फ्रॉम देअर.
जटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्यलम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकामड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिव.
explore Kondeshwar to its full extent in near future for sure. If you are watching this vlog till this moment, that means you must have got connected. If you're still watching this vlog, that indicates that you got connected to a certain extent with this vlog. If this is the scenario, I'll request you to, do comment, hit like or dislike button in order to convey your feelings with me. This will definitely give me a kind of more inspiration, more motivation, and courage to create more such videos for you. Thanks for watching. Do think about subscribing to my channel, Peace Stroke, and keep watching. We'll come up with few more travel videos very soon. Thanks.